Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a very interesting men's heated vest, and that's the Topdot. And it comes with dual switches, 7.4 volts and a whopping 10,000 milliamps battery, which is already included. So absolutely awesome set, and it comes with 8 different heating zones and 3 temperature levels, and of course it has also warm fleece inside, so you don't need the heating all the time, but you can activate it when you need some extra heat. So let's take it out and see what we get. Everything comes nicely protected. And here's the power bank. It's a very stylish power bank. You can see that here, absolutely awesome. So we can use it for this vest with this special port here, but we have also standard USB-A ports. You can also use it to charge your phone or tablet or whatsoever. This is absolutely awesome. And regarding power bank, you really don't have to be worried about the 7.4 volts, which is used to heat up the vest. With the normal standard USB-A, we have normal standard 5 volts, which we can use for like a phone or tablet or so. And of course it comes also with this standard USB-C charging cable and even some user guide with a lot of description. You can see that here comes in a lot of different languages, but I'm going to show and explain everything. And so here we have it, and we can see we have this really nice super soft fleece here inside and outside. What's also super interesting is this material inside. Of course, outside we have this really nice, super warm fleece also on the neck. But here inside we have a different material, but it doesn't feel cold. In a lot of cases with such vests, we can feel somehow this material cold, but it's absolutely not the case. It's still very warm, cozy and comfortable. And here we have also some wash and care instructions, and we can see we can even hand wash it after removing the power bank. And it's a really beautiful one, as you can see. It's really nice. And here we have these buttons, and you can see we have a lot of zippers. We have the main zipper here, and we have the zipper here for the pocket. And of course we have more pockets on the side here as well. And all the zippers are working really nicely. Here of course inside we don't have this fleece, but we have the fleece outside, and we have it here in the neck, which makes it super comfortable. We have also this hook to hang it up, and we have here even one extra pocket on the side, and of course this pocket here is needed for the power bank, and so it includes the power cable. We get even an extra charging cable in case there is some problem. And so if you decide to wear it for longer time without the heat, you could even remove this cable, so you don't feel any difference compared to normal vest. And then before we use it, we give it a full charge. We can also press here, see the charge here. And so when we connect it here, we can already see the different lights. And so the very good thing is that we can decide with these 2 buttons where to give more or less heat. So we can turn it on here with a long press. And so with the right button we are controlling the lower part. It's nicely described here. We can switch with just a short push between the lower heating and the high heating and the medium heating. And you can see when I hold my hand here, you can see I can push from outside. So you don't have to open your jacket and push with your hand also from the inside. It's enough when you just push it from the outside. That's absolutely awesome. And when we want to heat up also the upper part, we have to long press here as well. And so you can see we can individually heat this up. Both parts are completely individual regarding the heat. So this is absolutely fantastic. And also very good thing is that we can feel the heat very fast, I can tell you. And it's almost everywhere. I can feel that here all the way around, goes even up to the neck area here, especially in this area where a lot of people have really cold when they are outside. It heats up even really up to the collar. I can feel that here. And so you can see it here in real life, and it's super comfortable, and we can close it if you like it to have some extra protection. We can close it fully up here and it's still very comfortable, or we can open it a little bit to have it more stylish. And you can see the buttons are super easy to control. I have my hand here free and I'm only using one hand. So you can see it also from the side, a little bit from the back. Really nice, beautiful comfortable. Also down here, really nice, stylish, everything very well done. There are absolutely no problems. All the stitches, all the seams, everything really nicely, beautiful done. So I've been able to fold everything back into this carry bag, and I think that's also a very good thing. So it doesn't need a lot of space, which would be definitely perfect for travel. If you don't know, if you need something which keeps you a little bit warmer, you can take this on like a vacation or so. So I would say with the 3 different heating levels and the 2 buttons which allow us to control the heat for the upper part and the lower part, it's definitely one of the better heating vests which I've ever tested. Also with this really nice, beautiful power bank which we can use to charge also phone. By the way, I've double checked, the USB-C is only for charging, to charge the power bank, and the USB-A can be used to charge a phone or tablet or so. So USB-C is just input and not output, but still it's a really beautiful one, really helpful. So I would say one of the better heat vests which I've seen. Also the buttons work really good, the zippers are good. The quality overall, I would say it's definitely one of the best things which I've ever seen regarding heat vests. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.